We've all had that brilliant business idea, that one that whispers go big or go home. But before you dive headfirst into renting a swanky office, tempting, I know, there's a crucial step: crafting a solid business plan. Think of it like a roadmap for your company's success. It lays out your destination, the challenges you might face along the way, and most importantly, how you'll navigate them. So, why is a business plan so important? Let's break it down, shall we? Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where we help you form a business almost stress-free. Here are some of the reasons why having a solid business plan is crucial. Charting your course. A business plan forces you to get clear on your vision. What problem are you solving? Who are your ideal customers? How will you stand out from the competition? Answering these questions helps refine your idea and identify any potential roadblocks before you invest a ton of resources. Securing funding. Need some extra cash to get your venture off the ground? Investors are looking for a plan. A well-structured business plan showcases your company's potential, reduces risk for the investor, and increases your chances of securing that crucial funding. Guiding your growth. Even if you're bootstrapping your startup, a business plan serves as a constant reference point. As your company grows, you can revisit your plan to ensure you're on track and make strategic adjustments as needed. Now, crafting a business plan might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Executive summary. This is a concise overview of your entire plan. Like a business elevator pitch, if you will. Briefly explain your company, its mission, and its goals. Company description. Here you delve deeper into your business. Explain the products or services you offer, your target market, and your competitive advantage. Market analysis. Research is key here. Understand your industry, your competitors, and your target audience. What are their needs, wants, and pain points? How will your product or service address them? Marketing and sales strategy. How will you reach your ideal customers? What marketing channels will you utilize? How will you convert leads into sales? Outline your strategy for brand awareness and customer acquisition. Management team. Investors want to know who's behind the wheel. Highlight your team's experience, skills, and qualifications. Financial projections. Here's where the numbers come in. Forecast your revenue, expenses, and potential profitability. Feeling overwhelmed? There are resources available to help. While a good business plan should be tailored to your specific company, AI-powered business plan generators can provide a basic framework and get you started. For example, if you just want to get a general text outline using a few bits of crucial information that you input about your business, you can visit the Grammarly site and use their business plan generator. Or, if you want a super spruced up, all singing, all dancing design with pictures and snazzy fonts, then take a look at visme.co. I'll leave both of these sites in the description below. Of course, a quick search on the web may also bring up a site that you prefer. And similarly, there are online template sites offering pre-made business plans as well. But remember, these templates should be a starting point only, not a copy-paste solution. You'll need to customize them to reflect your unique business concept. But of course, the business plan is just the start. You may need a helping hand with the company formation process itself. That's where we come in at yourcompanyformations.co.uk. We can be your trusted guide. Our team of experts can handle all the legal aspects of setting up your business, allowing you to focus on the crafting of the winning business plan. Head over to our website to learn more about our services and take the first steps towards turning your dream company into a reality. Remember, a well-crafted business plan is an invaluable tool for any entrepreneur. It sets you on the path to success, attracts investors, and keeps you focused on achieving your goals. So grab a pen and a paper, or your laptop, and get started on building your roadmap to entrepreneurial success. If you have any questions about business plans or company formation in general, leave a comment below and we shall get back to you as quick as we can. Thanks for watching.